I'd like to welcome all of my face-to-face people in the class. This is a hybrid class. It will only meet face-to-face on Tuesday. I'm also teaching the same class online. We kind of have equal numbers face-to-face and online. There will be no tests in this particular class, but there will be various assignments that we'll go over in a little bit of time. But what I wanted to do to start the class off today is, title of the class is Learning in Memory. And so we're going to do a little study at the start of class today. And what I would like you to do, and I'm going to say these instructions both to the online and face-to-face folks, is if you're in the online class, please download the file that says Anxiety Survey. Do you guys have what says Anxiety Survey there? Presented by cesultra.com. And what I would like you to do is on one sheet that you have for the people in the online class, the face-to-face class has two sheets. I would like you to write the subject number, and actually let's just, well, it doesn't really matter too much how we do this because the online will be both. Let's do just S1, S2, S3, 4, 5, and 6. And if you're one of the online people, not that it matters too much, we'll get into this as time goes on. If you're Rayanne, S7, Angeline, 8, Shelley, 9, and Heather will be S10. And what I'd like you to do is on one side, basically write down just your subject number and write on a little line there, pulse. And then on the other sheet, basically write down the same subject number. So on the other sheet, write down your same subject number and write post on that one. Did I tell you to write pre on one and post on the other, or did I not say that yet? So on one, you'll write pre. We're going to do a relaxation study here. So one will be before the relaxation and the other one will be after. And we're going to have you basically take your pulse before and your anxiety level before. And we're going to do the relaxation situation and then have you do the same thing again. Does that make sense for people? So what I'd like you to do at this point in time is basically, do people know how to take their pulse? Can people get their pulse for 30 seconds? Do you want me to try to time it out for us? Should I do that? I can do that. Have people been able to find their pulse at this point? So we'll start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start counting now. And stop. Multiply that number by 2, please. Multiply that number by 2.
I don't know how to take pulse.
That's okay, life goes on. Multiply that number by 2 and just do pre and Kylie, would you be able to help 10 find his pulse?
Yeah.
You want me to start timing? We'll start in your mark, get set, go. Stop. Multiply that number by 2 and write pre-pulse. The next thing I would like everybody at home and in the class to do is please read the instruction sheet here on how you feel right now. 10 means extreme, 0 means none. And just fill that out. You don't have to add any numbers up or anything like that. Just go through this quickly and write it out.